Hey guys, Kevin here. I've got another delivery from China. It's a smartphone holder, something which I've been looking for a better solution. In the past I've been using this one and it's quite good. You can see I've been using lots of ball heads with it to put my microphone at the top, put my phone there, hold the other side with the tripod. It actually works quite well that. I've messed around with different options with brackets, and I've got a bag full of other mobile phone holders in there. That one sucks, that one's the same, that one doesn't fit my phone. So yeah, you can see that I've looked at a lot of different solutions. This one is from AliExpress, £5.86 it cost me, and hopefully I can get through to the actual sales page. There it's there. Now if you actually buy this through Amazon, good chance you'll have to pay more, maybe double. So this brand is called Ulanzi or Ulanzi, got no idea. Nothing else up the sleeve. And this is it. So you can see what the idea is here. You can spin 360 degrees. You can tighten it there. The key thing that I really liked about this, that tightens up there. The key thing that I liked about this was the fact that it's got a tripod thread at the bottom and it's got one at the top. So I'm hoping that this is going to give me a much better setup, because as I said before, I was using this kind of thing and it does work, but it's a little bit of a bizarre contraption. It works, but I don't know, you know, I prefer to find, use a solution that's working on its own. It's got less parts that can fail. Okay, so there it is with the tripod. Let me move this up a little bit. Okay, so we've got it with the tripod. So I need to open this part open. So the idea is I would... How far does this go? Let's see how far this goes. I hope to God it's big enough. Says it was. For my 5.7 inch screen. There we go. Looks like it can hold. I think it can hold up to 6 inch screens up to, or 5.7 or something. Yeah, I'll open it up a little bit more just to see if it can fit anymore. Yeah, there's a little bit more space. It does get a little bit looser there. At a struggle, you'd maybe put the Samsung Note on there, maybe. I would have to check the dimensions, but it may be a bit of a struggle. So, I prefer this mechanism, this kind of, just pull it and put it on. But, from a kind of security point of view, there's less risk of this falling down. You know, if it's in tight, that looks solid. You can actually, yeah, you can move that 360 degrees when it's on. So I want that on the top. So the idea is that I would get a 1/4 to 1/4 inch thread and I would put it on the top, and then I can put my microphone on the top. Let's do that. Okay, so I've got my 1/4 to 1/4 inch that will hopefully allow me to put my microphone into a smartphone holder. When I spin it on, this is the thing, see these 1/4 inch, they seem to be always a little bit off center, so you kind of end up with this. I think this is more of a problem with the actual 1/4 inch thread rather than this itself. It's these little 1/4 inch. You can see I've been using them before. I think maybe this is better, because I ran into this problem before. Okay, let's try this as a different solution. So because of the way that these 1/4 inch things work, I'm having to use this little ball head. It's not ideal. I'll maybe have to get a different 1/4 inch connector. But they all seem to be like that. They all seem to do the same thing. So the idea is I need to use a connector here and then plug it in there. So this is how it would look. The idea being, if I can set it up, I'll try and set it up there for you guys. That's how it would work there. So that's how it works. You hold your tripod, you've got your holder there. So, seems okay. Seems okay. Very cheap to buy. Looks like a good option. Yep, I'm going to use this. I highly recommend it. I think I'm going to get used to this. So I recommend checking it out, guys. I'll leave a link to the AliExpress page where I bought it from. It'll take a few weeks to arrive, but you can buy it from Amazon or eBay if you want it quicker. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this, and please do check it out. It looks like a cool little smartphone tripod holder thing. Looks good. Till next time, guys. Take care.